This is how to make a fake WhatsApp video call. So you know normally if you are calling someone on WhatsApp, that the person can be able to see you through the camera and you can also be able to see the person through the camera. But in this video tutorial today, I want to show you how to make a fake WhatsApp video call which you can use to prank your friends and family. In that way, anyone you call on WhatsApp video call, instead of the person to see you through the camera, rather the person will see another video you inserted on that your WhatsApp video call. But the voice might be coming from you wherever you are making the call from. But the video the person is seeing through the camera thinking it's you is entirely another video you inserted on that your WhatsApp video call, okay? So, but before I continue, I would like to remind you that this is only for educational purposes, okay? So it shouldn't be used for any deceitful or harmful activities. So one bonus I'm going to leave you with today is on how to make money with WhatsApp like every other social media platforms. On WhatsApp, there is no official way on how to make money with WhatsApp, but there is a technical ideas that you need to include so you can be able to make money with WhatsApp, in which I will leave the link to the article on how to do that in the description below, okay? So moving ahead today on our tutorial on how to make a fake WhatsApp video call, okay? So let's get started.
So the first thing, just go to any browser of your choice and go to ManyCam.com. So once their homepage opens, click here to download it for free. So now scroll down a bit so you can click on any button that is related to the PC you are using. So for the sake of this tutorial, I am using Windows. So I will go ahead and click on download for Windows. So as you can see here, it will start downloading. So it will take few seconds to finish downloading. So now that it has finished downloading, so click to launch it open. So now continue with installation by clicking on I accept. Then you follow the steps till you install it on your computer. Okay, so I have already done that and I will not go ahead and install it again on my PC. But it is just an easy few steps clicks. Then you will be through with the installations. So now after you have finished installing it, you will see it here on your desktop. So double click to launch it open. So this is it. Your ManyCam application is set. So the next thing we are going to do now is to go back to our browser and go to whatsapp.com. So now once your homepage opens, click on download. So on the next page, you will see the three options: Android, iOS, or Windows. So but for this fake video call to work, you only use it on desktop. So for that, we are going to download WhatsApp for desktop. So click on Windows. So now go ahead and follow the steps of the wizard to download it to your desktop. So but I also have downloaded this WhatsApp on my desktop. So I will not download it the second time. So just follow the steps and download it to your PC. It's done downloading. Then you launch it open. This is what you will see. So now you have to click on get started. So and now you will be brought to this place where you will see the QR code that you will scan with your phone. So now on your phone, go to your WhatsApp and tap on this three dot hamburger icon. Now tap on link devices. So now tap on link a device. Then you see the QR code scanner just like a camera. So just take it and go to your desktop to scan that QR code. So now once you scan the QR code, then your WhatsApp will start loading. So now, as you can see, you have finally connected your WhatsApp to your desktop. So the next thing is to move ahead and make the fake video call. So let's say, for example, this is the person you want to call on WhatsApp video call. So you just select the contact. Then let me minimize this and place it side by side. So let's say I place this here. So now you need to open the ManyCam you just downloaded. So now this is the ManyCam. So I will just also minimize it. So to make that fake video call, we'll use ManyCam and WhatsApp. But remember on ManyCam, there is this ManyCam logo watermark, as you can see here, because this ManyCam will be showing in front of that video. But you can remove it by upgrading. So it just takes a few dollars to upgrade. Then you can be able to remove this ManyCam watermark. So moving ahead, now to make that fake video call on WhatsApp. So here now, as the ManyCam is open, we are going to use ManyCam to insert the video we want to show the person we are calling on WhatsApp rather than our own video. So to do that, you will have to right click in this preview window, then come up and choose images and videos. So now go ahead and select the video you want to show the person on the WhatsApp video call, or you can also choose a picture that you want to show as a video. Okay, so I'll go ahead and select one of my videos here. So you will see the video will be imported here on your ManyCam. So now it's time to go over to WhatsApp. So now go over to your WhatsApp for desktop. Then the contact you want to call, let's say this is the contact you want to call. Then you just click on the video call. Now you've started calling the person. So now before the call, the person picks the call, just tap on this three dots hamburger icon, device settings. Then come under camera, choose ManyCam. So you can see. So now you see the video you inserted on ManyCam. So now you can see that the video is paused. So you need to go ahead and go to ManyCam and play the video. So now you play it, you can see, then you can see the video starts. So now when the person picks the call, he will see this video you inserted of ManyCam instead of you.
Make sure you stay to the end of this video.
Whenever you pause the video, it will be paused in that person's WhatsApp. Now, if you want to make use of the audio, it's not the audio from the video. So all you need to do is on that your WhatsApp, you click on that three dots hamburger icon. So you need to come down under microphone. Then you select ManyCam virtual microphone. So with that, you are set. So now the voice will come from you wherever you are, but the video is another video. So now that is it. But if you want to make use of this version of ManyCam that I used to teach you this in this video, then go to the description section below. You will see the link on how to download this ManyCam version. So that is it for today's video. So if you enjoyed this video and it's helpful to you, please comment on the comment section and follow me for more tips like this.